guys, welcome back to my YouTube channel, Code Surfer, and I hope you guys are doing really well. So in today's video, we are back again with some of the new logical programs in which we are gonna make some new logics. And today we will be developing some patterns, which is the most interesting part for any student or any of you guys, I would say, because those are mind-boggling things where you can create different kind of patterns, and you might have seen in a lot of examinations, I guess. So today we start like the basic patterns, which is this one. This is the pattern. We'll be inverting this pattern. We'll try to put some numbers in this. So this is the basic pattern. So we'll start it this thing today. And pardon my voice, I have some really bad throat infection. So let's start this thing without wasting our time. So these patterns are sometimes a bit difficult when they are arranged in different manners, but this one you're looking on the screen is the simplest and easiest thing. So we'll start with this today and we'll go with some different patterns in the next videos. So for these things you will just need two things, two variables that will be integer I and j, which we'll be using for the for loops. Now after doing this initialize, you have already declared the variables. So one of them would be go with the rows and one of them will go for the columns. So that's why we have got two variables here. Now, as we have done this thing, now simply just write down the first for loop, which will be for the I. So I equals to 0 from where how much numbers you want the stars here, I would say. So I equals to 0 and we'll need around 9, I would say. So I'll write down I less than 10. And obviously we are gonna do I plus plus because we want more stuff in it. It's not the capital I. Now here there is just one line can change your program here, and we'll see what that one line is. So now we will do the second for loop, which will be the j for loop, which will go for the columns. So for j equals to 0 again. Now we are conducting with the I, so the j will be less than I here, and again we'll do the j plus plus, and then with this loop again. And this loop will just print the stuff that we want to print. So here we are looking for the stars, so I'll put down a star in here and a space, because if you're writing anything under, or I would say between the double inverted commas, it will be reflected as it is. So if I'll not put the space here, it will be a bit congested thing. So we are printing I here, so I'll print I and semicolon here. So the one line which I was talking about will come here, and that will be printf, and nothing but just a simple slash n, which will get you to the new line. And I'll put down it's just the comment, so you'll get to know what this happens. So I'll run the program, and this is what we are getting because we have commented this line. I'll remove this comment here and run it again, and this is what we are getting now, which is the perfect pattern. As I said, the double inverted commas always reflect as it is, so I'll put down a space here, not an and run it again. So this looks much better. Yeah, so it will start from 1 2 3 4 5 6 7 8 and 9, because we have done here I less than 10, so it will go till 9. So this was for the slash, I would say, not slash, I would say, sorry, star. What if you just want to put the numbers instead of the stars? Just make a small difference. It will just go through this slash t here, sorry, percentage t, which reflects the integer number, and I already put the I here, so there is no need of it anything to change. And I run the program again, and yeah, it is just a single word needs to be changed, and you're here with your output. Now what if you want to invert this thing here? So to invert this pattern, you need to do here Let me just put this star here, which would be easier to get. Nice. So I will be equals to 9 here, I would say, and the I will be greater than 0 because we are going from larger number to the smaller, so this will be noted here. It will be not 1 star here, there will be 9 stars, and the I will be decremented here, and j equals 2 will be 0, same. J will be same that this one, and j plus plus, and simply we'll just need to print here I again, and let's do it again. So yep, we are getting the same inverted stars here. So the patterns are not, I would say, difficult, but the thing is that how you play with these two for loops. Everything is dependent on the for loops, how you are writing the for loops, what are your conditions, and that's it. You will just need to change the for loops and your program will be totally different from this thing. So I would say this was all for this video, a simple basic pattern. In further videos we'll go with some different patterns which are more difficult, I would say, and we'll go on till you guys get the practice on it. So see you guys in the next video. Till that time, take care. Bye.